Okay, hello everyone. This is going to be much more exciting than you think. This is my first content video. I've been in the business for more than 40 years in construction. I've built everything from cellular phone stores to architects' offices to million-dollar homes and the kitchens inside and everything else. But now, since the last 3 years, we've been starting a new business, and it's called Custom Crib Cebu. This is going on our 3rd year now, and we've sold hundreds and hundreds of these. Right now I have one in the box, and I'm going to show you. This is how we ship them out, and we've upgraded the Duyan. It's called a Duyan in the Philippines. That's where we are, and we're going to ship these all over. Well, we have shipped them all over the Philippines so far, and we've upgraded it now to mahogany. Now, what you see here in the box is our seat, and I'm going to show you step by step what we do and how we did it. Okay? There's a lot of work involved in these, and a lot of study and everything else. The frame is really simple. You can see all the frame pieces in here and the cross member bar. You can see it's all mahogany and it's all labeled, so it goes together real easily. The next thing I'm going to do is put one together. Okay, so we're going to go along that step next. All right. Okay, these are our patterns that I developed. It took a long time. Many hours are in these patterns. Many hours. I can't explain or even tell you how many hours I spent making these patterns, because I wanted perfection in our seat in the Duyan, what we call the Duyan in the swing. So these are scrap pieces of fabric that I've used over and over and over, and you could see how worn they are. I need to make another set of patterns. This one here is the center panel pattern that goes into the seat, and this is the center panel also that goes into the seat. So 2 pieces make up the center panel, and I'll show you where they are. And then I have 2 sections here, but I only have 1 pattern because we use it left and right. And one is for the left and one is for the right. We flip it, and this is for the sides of the swing, the seat. And then we have this one, which is for our safety seat, and this is my pattern for the safety seat, which you see here. So we have 2 pieces, and this is what it comes out like. Okay, and we have the belt loops on it and everything. So then this folds up here, and it goes on to the Duyan seat here, and you can see it with the buckle on it. Here's what we have. So this is how it's finished. We don't have it sewed yet, and this one's not finished yet either. Of course, our logo is not on there yet, but we'll show you that later. Okay, so those are our patterns, and if you want to order, you can order these patterns if you want. We can ship it directly to you for a small fee. We will give you the patterns and everything you need to make this when you're finished. Okay, now I'm going to show you a little bit about the frame and the parts that are involved. Like I said, we give you a list of each part and the patterns for it. Each one is labeled. We have 3, 4 numbers on it, and we have 1 and 2 here. And so it's very simple for you to put it together if you order one. This is the top piece here, and it's marked 1, 2, of course. And you'll see the numbers, they match, or they may be over, like used over and over, A and B and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. But these parts only go together one way, so it's very simple to do it. Okay, so here's our sides in the box. We take them out, if I can get them out again. Quick, okay, and this one's labeled A. Okay, so A. So we need to find A, and that's very simple. Here's A. Okay, so when we do these, they just go together like this. It's that easy. Okay, and we have our special bolts that you can put in here that are really nice, that I have. It comes in the case. I'll show you those a little later. Okay, so these are the joints. You just fit them in there like that. Now, if you cabinet makers can do this. It's very simple for someone that's experienced. Okay. we drill out the holes here also. This is because this is the sidebar, and it goes across. Part 3, where's part 3? Let me see here real quick. This one. Okay, so this one is 3. So 3 goes here. Okay, so this is our side frame. Now you start to see what's taking place, and these get bolted together here and here. Now, if you're going to custom make this, you can glue these joints together. You don't have to use the fittings that we do, but we ship these all over the Philippines, so we have to keep it in a small box because of the shipping fees are so high. And so what we've done for our customers is we've designed this to fit in a very small box, which you see this big unit is coming out of. Okay, so this is the frame here. Now you have the crossbar that's going to go in here into the hole, and we also have a pre-drilled hole here for a set screw, which we'll show you in the final thing. Now on the bottom you have a frame that goes across too, and the frame is also labeled. It's labeled for D and 4. These are the cross pieces here. 1, so 1, I'll have to look here. 1 is on the other side. So this is 3. So 3 goes here, okay, like this, and it goes in there, and it's already pre-drilled. So the screws go in. Okay, we're back here, and I'm at the frame here. I want to show you really quick here what fittings we use. We use these fasteners, okay? They're a small screw, if you see here, on the one side, and it's really nice. I like them a lot, and we use the flat finished screw on the other side. So this is it's an insert that goes into the wood, and then the screw is on the other side, which is small, which attaches these two. But like I said, if you want to, you can glue this fitting together if you're making them for yourself. If you're buying them from us, we have to ship them, and this is the way that we ship them, so that you put them together when you get it, okay? So this is very simple. Like I said, we number everything, so you'll see the number 2 on there, and then the number 2 will be a post that goes with that. There's 2 legs in the box. So number 2 is here. So it's simple as this. You just put it together, and then you put your pieces, your fasteners in, okay? And then again, I'm talking about the pole, the main hanging piece goes across, which I showed you already in the video. It's the metal pipe, and it goes inside the hole here, okay? And this is what we hang the swing from, the Duyan, okay? So that connects that, and I'll show you more about that later. All right, so let's go on to the seat real quick here. All right, and I'll show you the seat, and what we have. It looks like a mess right now, but when you see it in the picture, you'll understand how it goes together. These are custom made. We spent, like I said, I showed you the patterns in the video, endless hours of time trying to make this pattern, and you could see why it fits perfectly in here. The baby just sits right in there. It's custom made, tailored to fit the baby's body when it's hung. And okay, so what we have, this is made out of PVC. Originally, our whole frame was made out of PVC, and we have the hanging straps here. These go on here like this inside. Okay, so this goes on like that, and this one here. So we have 2 of these, and you insert it into this. Okay, so inside, on both sides, you'll have this, and then we put it into the corner pipe. This will be set screw here. So this is glued with solvent, and then there'll be a set screw here that connects this, so you can take it apart for easy cleaning, washing, whatever you want to do. So that, and then the trim strip here, the trim pieces are here, which I'm not going to put it on right now and take the time to do that, because you can see I have the one here on this side, so that gives it the trim and hides the PVC pipe. Then these connect to the straps on the frame, which you will see later. I will show you. Okay, so let's go to the straps, and we use these buckles to connect it with. We use these buckles They're all solid metal, and the strapping is bought. We buy it by the bulk because we sold more than 100 of these already. This is the old style. So now we have the mahogany, okay? And this holds more than the adult's weight on this, okay? So there we have it. This is the most unique product on the market. There's nothing like it, and only Custom Cribs. I have designed these products, and you're going to see more if you stick with us and subscribe and like button. We're going to show you this put together in another episode, okay? So then we have this one over here. If you look, pan over here, please. We have 3 of these units in the box. They are our playtime gyms, okay? I'm going to show you how those go together and show you what they are. And they have the rattles and everything on them. Also, these have the rattles. So look for our next YouTube episode. We're going to show you how to put this together. And like I said, you can order, if you want, you can order it already pre-made and we'll ship it to you in a box anywhere in the world. Or you can order the plans, okay? Contact us through our Facebook, Custom Cribs Cebu, or on the YouTube channel, leave a comment. We thank you very much and look forward to seeing you again. Thank you.
Here's the finished products. Order a complete unit or buy a set of plans to make your own.